In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Our journey begins by heading over to the HubSpot homepage, make sure you're online, and look for the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to get started. Now, on this login page, you're going to need to enter your email address, fill in the required field and hit next. If you've already linked your HubSpot account with Google, you can streamline the process by choosing Sign in with Google and then selecting the associated email address from the list. This step saves time and hassle if you're juggling multiple accounts. Once you're signed in and on the main HubSpot interface, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Look for a little gear icon, that's your settings menu, click on it. Once you're in settings, you'll see various tabs on the left hand side. Navigate to the general tab, which will open up more options for you. Now here comes the important part, locate and click on the calling section. This is where you'll set up your calling preferences within HubSpot. You've got a couple of options, you can either connect your current phone number or opt to get a new HubSpot number. Choose the one that suits your needs best. If you're opting to connect your personal number, HubSpot will send a verification code via SMS or a phone call to confirm that you own that number. Have your phone ready to quickly input the code and verify your number. Once your number's verified, head over to the CRM section by navigating the menu. This takes you to where your contacts are stored and managed. Click on Contacts to view your list, and from here select the contact you want to call. This is essential for tracking and maintaining successful communication records with your clients or colleagues. To initiate a call, you'll see a call icon. Click on it. Here you've got the flexibility to choose which phone number you'd like to dial from using the drop-down menu. Once you've selected the appropriate number, the call will typically start automatically. However, if it doesn't, don't worry, simply click the big green call button to get it going. While on the call, HubSpot offers several handy features. You can record the conversation, mute yourself, or even add additional participants if you need to include more people in the discussion. These tools can be incredibly useful for revisiting the call details later, or ensuring clear communication during collaborative calls. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated the process of adding a call in HubSpot. With these steps, you're well equipped to manage your communications efficiently from within the platform. Thanks for joining me and happy calling.